Do you know many people are having trouble with activating the lower heating element in their ovens? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select bottom heating. Set the function knob to the bottom heating mode on your Defy DBO768 oven. Step 2. Set desired temperature. Adjust the temperature knob to your desired temperature for the lower heating element. Step 3. Place dish on rack. Place your dish on the wire shelf or baking tray and position it on the lower rack. Step 4. Insert shelf or tray. Slide the wire shelf or baking tray into the desired level of the oven. Step 5. Monitor cooking progress. Monitor the cooking process to ensure the food is browning and cooking evenly from the bottom. Step 6. Turn off oven. Once finished, turn off the oven by setting both the function knob and temperature knob to the off position. Now you should be able to easily activate the lower heating element in your Defy DBO768 oven. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Defy users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.